Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad yogurt. Start by gathering varied fruits, plain yogurt, honey, and crunchy toppings. Chop fruits into bite-sized pieces and chill briefly. Fold fruit gently into yogurt to keep texture. Sweeten lightly with honey, maple, or a sprinkle of sugar to taste. Serve in bowls or jars, top with nuts or granola for contrast. Enjoy immediately for best freshness and texture. Prepare fruits by washing and drying thoroughly to prevent dilution of yogurt. Choose a mix of textures like berries, banana, and apple for balance. Dice firmer fruits small and keep delicate fruits whole or halved. If using citrus, remove seeds and membranes for smoother bites. Mix a few tablespoons of yogurt with lemon zest or vanilla for extra flavor. Combine fruit and flavored yogurt gently, taste, and adjust sweetener sparingly. Quick recommendation and a short ad break. If this video helps, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. On another note, I recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth for smart money thinking that pairs nicely with simple kitchen habits. It's a thoughtful read and makes a great gift. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Layering matters for presentation and texture when making fruit salad yogurt. Start with plain or lightly flavored yogurt base, then add denser fruits first and softer fruits atop. Sprinkle crunchy elements like granola, toasted nuts, or seeds at serving time to retain crispness. For protein, fold in Greek yogurt or a spoonful of nut butter. For a cooler treat, stir in a handful of frozen berries briefly. Serve immediately or chill for a short time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.